Hey guys, check out this KitchenAid citrus press I have here. Here's an up close look at it. This part here is metal, some kind of hard plastic here. Oh, that's nice. All right, we'll go ahead and take our lemon, put it in here like that. Now what you can do is just pour it like that. See all that good lemon juice coming out of there? Squeeze it more. More lemon juice. Get a whole bunch out of one lemon here. Then when you're done, you just pop this out, and then you can take that, discard your lemon, and do another one.